Y'all hoes find new creative ways to go to hell each and every day. I'm just... Not you put a baby in a quick weave. I am just flabbergasted because what made you think to do this? Like, this is an infant. Is it an infant? Well, that's a baby. That's a toddler? Oh no, I ain't got kids. Soft life. But why would you do this? Her head is not even fully developed yet. Them follicles. This is risky business. These are harsh chemicals. Like, you can't even wash baby clothes in regular laundry detergent, right? They can't even use regular soaps and whatnot. So why would you sit there and put adhesive upon her forehead? That is insane. And then the nerve of it to be ugly. If you was going to put a quick weave on a baby, at least make the shit be cute. You could have just bought a wig from the beauty supply store and called it a day. It would have saved you time and energy. She look happy though. Oh, look at her playing with the bubbles. Your mama a fool. She's so cute with this pink hair. She looks so happy too. And then I didn't see this part of the video. Now she ripping the... Oh, absolutely not. Y'all are going to hell. I just want to let you know. Y'all are going to hell.
There's a term I want to address: the ratchet and ghetto mindset. Now, this isn't about where we come from or the struggles we faced. It's about the attitudes and behaviors that can keep us from moving forward and achieving our full potential. It's about how we think and act in ways that limit our growth and the opportunities we give our children. We all know that raising kids is one of the toughest jobs there is. Our children look to us for guidance, for examples of how to navigate the world. If we are constantly focused on negativity, drama, or living in a state of perpetual conflict, that's what they're going to see as normal. They're going to think that's how life should be lived. Think about it. If we're always caught up in petty arguments, materialistic pursuits, or unhealthy behaviors, what message are we sending? We need to recognize that these patterns don't just affect us. They set the stage for how our kids will approach their own lives. They learn from us, and if they see us stuck in a cycle of frustration and low expectations, they're more likely to follow that same path. It's crucial for us to break free from these cycles and focus on what truly matters: growth, education, and self-respect. Let's invest in our children's future by showing them what it means to strive for something better, to work hard, and to uplift each other. Instead of letting negative stereotypes and behaviors define us, let's rise above and create environments where our kids can thrive. We need to set higher standards for ourselves and our communities. It's about breaking the mold, pushing past the limits, and building a legacy of success and dignity. This shift won't be easy, and it won't happen overnight. But every step we take towards a positive mindset, every effort we make to model good behavior, is a step towards a brighter future for our children. So let's make a commitment to ourselves and to our kids. Let's show them that we can rise above the noise and the negativity. Let's be the change makers, the role models who prove that there's more to life than what's portrayed in negative stereotypes. Our children deserve to see and experience the best of what we have to offer. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. And be sure to tell a friend to tell another friend. Sending love to each one of you. Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts on the topic.